Here's everything you need to know about the Smiler at Alton Towers in under 4 minutes. Stay till the end to find out exactly how this epic coaster spins its riders upside down so many times. And watch out, there's spoilers ahead. The Smiler opened to the public on May 31st, 2013 and is manufactured by the German company Gerschler. It was designed by John Wardley, a world-renowned coaster designer who has been working with the park since the early 90s. The estimated cost to build Smiler was about £18 million. Smiler holds a world record for the most inversions on any roller coaster in the world with 14 inversions. The largest drop on the coaster is about 30 metres. There are up to 4 trains operating on the ride at any time. You must be at least 1.4 metres tall to ride Smiler. Riders experience up to 4.5 G on the ride. Before construction started, the site was home to a roller coaster called the Black Hole, an indoor ride with a space theme. The ride lasts a total of about 2.5 minutes. The total track length is approximately 1,170 metres, that's over 1 kilometre. The ride features a large spider-like structure known as the Marmalizer, which symbolises the different elements of the ride designed to marmalise riders into smiling. The Smiler includes 2 separate lift hills, one of which is completely vertical. The ride has a theoretical capacity of approximately 1,200 riders per hour. The Smiler has received several awards and recognitions for its innovative design and thrill factor. The ride has experienced a few incidents since opening, most notably in June 2015, which resulted in serious injuries to several riders. Following the 2015 incident, the Smiler was temporarily closed for safety investigations, modifications and operational changes. Despite its history, the Smiler remains one of the most popular attractions at Alton Towers, drawing thrill seekers from around the world. Now let's take a look at those inversions. How does this epic ride send its riders upside down so many times? Ride with us on board as we make sense of the chaos. Well, straight out of the station, riders are sent into the dark, down a small drop and into the first inversion, a heartline roll. Then, after the lift hill, it's into the first drop and the second inversion, a corkscrew. Then, without time to even breathe, it's into 2 dive-in loops, the first one to the left and the second to the right. That's inversions 3 and 4 now done. It's then up and over a small bunny hop before heading into a pair of sidewinders to make inversions 5 and 6. Time for just one final inversion, a corkscrew, before the second lift hill, which this time is completely vertical, straight up. So at the halfway point you've managed 7 out of the 14 inversions, now time for part 2. After another swooping drop it's into a corkscrew, that's number 8. Followed by another pair of inversions, a sea serpent roll. That's the 9th and 10th inversions now done as the train gains speed again, hits the second bunny hop, then steamed into a cobra roll. Completing 2 more inversions to make it 12 so far. To finish, it's then straight into 2 more corkscrews in a row, taking you into the world record breaking total of 14 inversions before hitting the brake run. Congratulations, you now belong to the Smiler. Have you ridden Smiler yet? What would you rate it out of 10? Let me know in the comments below.